Hi guys, it's Morah Paulette. Today I have our friend Echo with us. He's going to help us do some Fundations today. For this video today, you will need a paper and a pencil or a marker or anything to write with. And you won't need it right now, you'll need it in a few minutes. But if you want to, you can pause this video now and go get it and then play it when you're ready. But first we're going to be doing something else and then I'll tell you when you need it. So first we're going to be practicing a few of our letters, not all of them. I picked out a few of them with our sound cards. Okay, we're going to practice a few vowels, which are our pink or salmon colored cards, and some consonants also, which are our yellow colored cards. Okay, so you're going to repeat after me. First, you're just going to listen when I hold it up and say it for the first time, and then when I hold Echo up, you and Echo can repeat it together. Okay? I'm going to try to whisper for these, so try to match my tone of voice. Try to whisper also. We do this in class sometimes. F, fun. A, apple, ah. And I want to see you stretch that. Great. We stretch it because it's a vowel. H, hat. Great job, guys. I love how you're clipping your sounds. U, up, Z, zebra. And our last one for today. T, top, t. Great job. Now, I'm going to write a few words for you on my whiteboard, and you don't have to do any writing yet. You're just going to look. But today I'm going to do something a little different. Usually I write words and you read them. We're going to do that today, but it's going to be a little different because today I'm going to write words that aren't real words. These are silly words. They're not real, but it's just to show you that we're practicing our sounds, and even though they're not real words, it's still words that we can read, okay? And it's going to help us practice our sounds. I'm going to write my first word. I'm going to remember to use lowercase letters. Okay, so I'm going to hold up my board. You guys can either use your fingers or your arms, or I know for some friends it's even just helpful to use their lips, their mouth to sound it out. So remember, guys, it's not a real word, so it's okay if it doesn't make sense. We're just practicing our sounds. I'm going to use my fingers this time. So even though I just want to tell you guys while you're trying to read this, even though this is a silly word, it's not real, we're still able to read it because we have a vowel in the middle. So that's the most important part, okay? Every word needs a vowel so that we could read it. Okay, who thinks they're ready? Put your thumb up if you think you're ready, and then we'll do it all together. Okay, let's try. Z, ah, t. Now go back to the beginning sound and blend it. Zat. Zat. Good job, guys. So I don't really know what a zat is. It's not a real thing. But I just wanted to practice those sounds. Let's try another one. This time maybe I'm going to put my marker down and I'm going to try to sound it out using my arms. So my first sound goes on my shoulder. My middle sound, my vowel, goes on my elbow. My last sound goes on my wrist. Okay, I'm going to give everyone another 2 seconds to try to get it. Who's ready? V, a, m, vum. Great job, guys. Let's try one more silly word, and then we're going to play a game together. try to sound it out or tap it out using your fingers, using your lips, using your arms, whatever is easiest for you. So keep trying to sound out each sound, and then remember, when you're trying to blend it, we need to go back to the beginning sound. So back to the letter K when you want to blend the whole thing together. Okay, so let's try to do it slowly together. K, I, Z. Now I want to go back and blend it. What was my first sound again? It was a K, a K. K, I, Z. Kiz. Kiz. Great job, everyone. So now is the time that you can take out your pencil and your paper or your whiteboard and marker, whatever you have. I have a whiteboard and a marker today. Take out whatever writing utensil you have, whatever paper or board you have to write on. And I'm going to explain a special game we're going to play. So right here, I have a very big pillowcase. And in this pillowcase, I have some things. And I'm going to pick them out. Since I can't ask you guys to pick them out, I'm going to pick them out, but I'm not going to look. And once I pick it out, then we're going to try to write the word together. So we just practiced silly words. They weren't real. Now we're going to practice real words. But it depends on what I pick out. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to try to, I just pressed the toy. So let's take that one out. That'll be our first one. Let me shut it off. So this is a toy, right? This is my baby's toy. So right now, what word do you think I want to write? I want to write which word? Right, I want to write the word toy. Toy. So now let's try to tap it out. We'll do this one all together first, okay? T, o, y. T, o, y. I'm going to take my marker. You could do this whenever you're ready also. T. Sounds like the letter T. Toy. Yeah. Oh, this letter goes all the way down to the worm line. T. O. Y. Toy. Great job. Now we're going to do one that I'm going to help you a little less. I want to see if you could do it on your own. I'm going to erase my whiteboard. I'm going to put this aside because I already took it out of my bag. Let's see what else we got in this bag. What is this, guys? What does it look like? Good. It's a cup. I want you to try to write the word cup. I'm going to try also. I'm going to give you guys a second. I wrote it down. I want to give everyone a chance. Okay. So everyone take a minute. Okay, guys. Who thinks they're ready? I'm going to hold mine up. Amazing. It says cup. K, a, p. Cup. Let's put my cup on the side. And guys, I know that sometimes a C and a K could kind of sound the same, but I think on Monday, I'll write this down for you actually, just in case you don't remember. On Monday, I think on the Fundations video that was posted, there were some rules that we learned, and we never learned these before. These were new rules that we learned when we have to tell the difference when do we use a C and when to use a K, because sometimes it's hard for us to know. So I'm going to write them down for you right now. So I'm going to review them quickly. Sometimes they sound alike and it's tricky. It's hard to know which one to use. So these are the rules. If it's a C, it's going to have the letters A, O, or U after it. Okay? So That's why when we wrote the word cup, the next word, what was the next letter, guys? It was a U. So that's how we know that we have to use a C. And then the times when we use a K are when the vowel after it is either an E or an I. So these are important rules that we have to remember. It's going to help us spell because a lot of times it's hard for us to tell the difference between a C and the K. They sound too much alike. So always remember, if the letter after it is an A, an O, or a U, then the first letter is probably a C. But if the letters after it are an E or an I, then the first letter is probably a K. Okay? So that's why when we spelled cup, it was a C, because the letter after was a U. Let's pick something else out of our bag. Okay. What did I get? What is this? It's a pen. I have a letter in this word that goes all the way down to the worm line, and I'm remembering to use my lowercase letters. So this one I just tapped out with my mouth because that was the easiest for me for this word. But I want you to do whatever is easiest for you. So if you need to use your fingers, you need to use your arms. When you're ready, you can hold up your board. Let's give everyone another second. So you could go letter by letter. Here's mine. P, E, N, pen. Great job. Let's see what else we have in our bag. Oh. Sorry, guys. This is a tap. 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 So it sounds like it starts. Okay. I'm not going to tell you guys. I think you could do it. I know you could all do it. Tap. T. Now I want you guys to try to write it on your own. You can go letter by letter. That's what I usually like to do. Think about what the vowel in the middle is. Sometimes our vowels could be a little confusing. Hold it up when you're ready. Let's tap it out together. T, A, P, tap. Great job. I think we have a few more things in the bag. I'm not sure how many things I put in there in my pillowcase. I was just trying to find a lot of things that were 3 letters long. This one is a big one. What is this, guys? It's a bus, okay? So let's try to write the word bus. So I want you to try to tap it out. I'm gonna use my arms this time, actually. I think last time I used my fingers. I'll go letter by letter. I'm gonna write down. Okay, I think I wrote bus. Let's see. Give everyone another second before I hold it up. Bus. Everyone can tap it out with me with your own papers. B-A-S. Bus. Okay, guys, we have one last one in here. So this one, actually, I'm going to teach you something about it because I just told you guys that I was trying to find a lot of things that were 3 letters long. Now, this thing is actually 4 letters long, but I'm going to teach you a rule about it. This is a doll. Okay, it's a panda, but it's a doll. So I want to try to write the word doll. 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 I'm going to start writing. You can write when you're ready. Oh. So I give everyone another second to finish trying to tap it out. Write down what letters you think you hear. This is mine. So guys, many of you, and it's right, it's okay, because I'm teaching you something new. Many of you probably wrote it like this. D, a, oo. But I actually want to teach you something. In the word doll, even though we only hear 3 sounds, we actually have 2 L's in the word. This is the correct way to spell doll. D, a, oo. And it's okay if you don't remember that. It's just something I wanted to teach you, because even though it sounds like it has 3 sounds, it really has 4. So next time, maybe you're writing a birthday card and you wish someone a doll or something. Now you know the right way to write it. It's 2 L's after the O. Okay? And I want you guys to play this game in your houses if you want. Go around your house, get a pillowcase, or it doesn't have to be a pillowcase. It can be a bag or a knapsack, and try to put all things in there that you think have 3 sounds or 3 letters. And then you can practice with one of your siblings, or maybe you can practice on Zoom with one of your friends. Okay, guys, and you can send me pictures. I can't wait to see what kinds of things you find in your houses, because I was trying so hard to find things that had 3 letters in my house. Good luck, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.